Howdy guys, welcome to another install video. Should be super short, but today I'm going to be installing these NKG spark plugs. They're not iridium, which I wish I could have gotten, but for money's sake this will have to do for now until I start doing heavy modifications. So let's get started. The tools that you'll need are a ratchet and a 10mm socket, as you can see there. Sorry, I'm reaching down. You'll need a 5/8 deep socket to get the spark plugs, obviously the spark plugs, and then you'll need some pliers or vice grips. In this case, they act as both for me. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we are going to take off the engine cover here. I have already taken it off, so we're going to set it off to the side, just like that. Okay, don't mind the dirtiness, but we've got the 4 spark plugs. 1, 2, 3, and then hiding back there 4, I guess I should say coil pack. So I'm going to unclip all 4 of these clips and then take off that clamp right there that's in the shadow, right here. Yep, right there. So give me just a minute. Alright, so I couldn't get these stupid clips off, so I just took out the coil pack instead. Totally fine, whatever floats your boat really. So let's take a look at the old and new. They definitely need replacing. Yeah, that's nasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw them in and I'll be right back. Alright, so there you have it. Everything is all tightened up and ready to be turned on, except for the hose. The hose needs to be put back on. Just take the clamp, squeeze it, and put it back right there. Alright, thanks for watching another successful video on how to do some very minimalist stuff on your Veloster turbo. Thank you and have a good night.